Today, I'll show you how to void a Docusign agreement after it has already been signed. This can be really helpful if a mistake was made in the document, the terms have changed, or the agreement simply shouldn't move forward anymore. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can confidently void a completed Docusign envelope when you need to. First, you'll want to start by opening your Docusign account and heading to the main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section or menu where your documents are organized. In Docusign, this is usually called the Agreements tab. Think of this tab as your central hub. It's where all your sent, received, and completed envelopes are stored. Go ahead and click on Agreements to open the list of your documents. Inside the Agreements tab, you'll see a list of envelopes, each representing a document or a set of documents that have been sent out for signature. What you're looking for specifically is a completed envelope. A completed envelope means all required recipients have signed and the signing process has finished. You may see a status column that shows labels like completed, sent, or in progress. Focus on those that are marked as completed, since those are the ones that can be voided after signing in this context. If you have a lot of entries, it can be helpful to use any available filters or the search bar to narrow things down. You might search by the document name, the recipient's name, or even the date the agreement was completed. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right envelope, because once you void it, the agreement will no longer be valid for any of the parties involved. After you've located the correct completed envelope, look to the right-hand side of that row. You should see a menu icon, often represented by 3 dots stacked vertically. This is sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up a small menu of actions you can take for that specific envelope. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Void. This is the action that tells Docusign you want to cancel or invalidate the agreement. Go ahead and click on Void. As soon as you do this, Docusign will not void the document immediately. Instead, it will open a confirmation window, giving you a chance to review what you're doing. In this confirmation window, you'll be asked to enter a reason for voiding the envelope. This reason is important because it provides context to everyone who was involved in signing the document. It can also help you later if you or your team need to remember why a particular agreement was cancelled. Type in a clear, concise explanation, such as incorrect terms in the contract or new version of the agreement will be sent. Once you've entered the reason and double-checked that you're voiding the correct envelope, you can confirm the action. Look for the Confirm or Void button in that window and click it. After you confirm, Docusign will update the status of that envelope to show that it has been voided. Recipients may receive a notification letting them know the agreement is no longer valid. And that's it. You've successfully voided a Docusign agreement after signing by opening the Agreements tab, finding the completed envelope, using the 3-dot menu to select Void, entering a clear reason, and confirming the action.